You can get fuck Chloe.
You got me that stuff.
Yeah.
Got me that stuff.
Fuck all.
What are you saying, Fritz?
Oh. Jack. Jacksonville. Jackal. These are just not watching Walking Dead.
And this is a gorilla in its natural habitat. It's figuring out how to use a mobile phone. It seems quite a tame gorilla. Sitting blending into the scenery. The gorilla, there's some movement. The gorilla seems to struggle to keep his eyes open at times like this.
Prime example of a freaking silverback.
Now this is not a specimen gorilla.
Tested subject.
This was a test tube gorilla. Some call them cabbage patch babies.
Oh my god.
This is Mental Gary, the mysterious guy.
I'm not mysterious, I'm just cool as fuck.
Dark insanity. And once again, back to the gorilla.
The gorilla. It's like a dormant volcano waiting to strike.
It's weird being so close to a gorilla like this in its natural habitat. Is it sleeping? I wonder how close we can get.
Pretty close.
Movement.
Oh.